I'm Joel with Pool Defenders, and today we're answering the question, how can I determine the condition of my pool surface? Now in this particular situation, the pool surface is in really good shape, but what could you look for? Well, you can visually inspect your pool surface. See if it's delaminating or pulling away from the pool wall or floor area, or if the gunite's actually showing through the plaster. Next, you could actually simply feel the pool wall and structure. If it seems excessively pitted or etched or extremely rough, it shows excessive wear on the pool surface. And finally, you could take your pool brush, actually brush the steps or the wall surface. If it clouds or dusts excessively, likely the pool finish has reached the end of its life. Tune in next time for another tip on how to inspect my pool.